let's say we have a lot of videos. Let's say we want to showcase those videos in a single place to drive engagement, to drive branding, to drive views, and ultimately conversions. I'm really proud of the Dubb Showcase feature, which allows you to take a collection of videos and then create, within just a couple of seconds, an entire page to help you showcase those videos. So here's what that looks like, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. So if you go to Assets and then you click on Showcases here, this is an example of a showcase page. So I've got my title, I've got my name, I've got my description, a header image if I'd liked, a thumbnail image, some calls to action because we love calls to action, a featured video that's going to appear at the top, and then a list of videos all right here. We can include a tag as well if we want to stay organized. Of course, some branding options as well. A background too if you want to customize it. And once we've done that, if we go to our showcases and we click on this link right here, the view button, you can see the showcase page that's been created. So just like we just configured, which only takes a couple of seconds here, we've got our title, we've got our featured video, we've got a collection of videos right here, and then of course we have our call to actions. So this link right here is a shareable link. You can share this link with people and they can watch your how-to videos, your tutorial videos, your calls to actions, your case study videos, client success stories, whatever aggregation of videos that you have. Here is your new place to go and host those videos so that you can share them. The reason why you want to use this instead of YouTube is because if you go to YouTube and if you send people a playlist on YouTube, there's a big chance that you lose them to the YouTube algorithm because, of course, they are going to see featured videos of the type of videos that they love to watch. Those surfing videos, those videos on scuba diving or basket weaving, whatever it is that they're into, it's going to go and show them those videos and maybe, quote unquote, steal that traffic. So why not keep them in a controlled environment here on a Dubb Showcase page? So I encourage you guys to go and check out the Showcase page option on Dubb and let us know if you have any questions. Here to support.